Today we're going to start our essay for the unit that we're doing, which is argumentative essays. And your argumentative essay is going to be based on kind of the themes that we've studied when you were reading your books, whether that's The Other Side of Truth or of Beetles and Angels. We've kind of discussed a lot of injustices. We've watched videos on refugees. We've studied a lot of things that have to do with race and sexism, things like that. And so in this unit, when you're writing your argumentative essay, you're going to choose a topic for your research that is going to be related to some kind of injustice in our world. So let's read through the instructions of what you're going to be doing today. You're actually just going to be choosing your topic for today and then writing your thesis statement. So let's read. Today you are going to choose a topic to write for your argumentative research essay. I will provide you with a list of ideas that you can draw from, or you can create your own topic regarding the same idea, so the same injustice prompt. Your topic needs to be related to any form of injustice in our world. Your prompt needs to be in question format so that there are two sides. So here are some examples. You can read through these examples. I've provided quite a bit of examples on here. There are some that have to do with climate change. There are some to do with immigrants. There are some to do with homelessness, gun control, gender issues, and voting issues, issues about teenage depression, and taxes, and the death penalty. There's so many different topics that you can choose from that have to do with all the different kinds of injustices in our world. And if you can tell, they're in question format. So you can write down the topic question that you choose right here. If there is a topic that you are itching to write about that is not on this list, that is totally fine. But you just need to get it approved by me. I just want to see that it's in the correct format and that you're going to have material to write about. So make sure you run it by me, and we can go from there. But you're going to write your topic question right here. And if you notice, the reason why it needs to be in question format is there needs to be two sides to the argument. So if you look at the first bullet point, it says, are people doing enough about climate change? Well, there's going to be two sides. Some people are going to think people are doing enough about climate change. Others are going to believe that we're not doing enough about climate change. And you're going to be responsible for choosing a side. Either you're going to be on one side or the other side, but your essay is going to be arguing your point of view. So let's use climate change as an example. If I were a student and I chose the first bullet point, are people doing enough about climate change? Then I would say, no, people are not doing enough about climate change. That would be my stance, and that's what my essay is going to be all about, arguing that point. So now that you have decided which prompt you would like to study, so you can pause the video and choose a topic question. Once you're finished choosing the topic question and writing it down, you can unpause the video and we'll move forward. So now that you have decided which prompt you would like to study, you're going to find 3 reasons why you support or do not support your topic. So how do you do that? Here's an example for you. So let's say the question that I wanted to write about was, should students have more art time during the day? And I decided that my stance was going to be students should have more art time during the school day. Then I'm going to find 3 reasons to back up my point of view. So reason 1, this allows students to practice creativity and practice finding creative ways to solve problems. That's reason number 1. Why schools should have more art time. Reason 2, some students are visual learners and learn best through creating images. And reason 3, art gives more opportunities for people to learn about different cultures. Bam! 3 reasons about how or why students should have more art time during the school day. Now, my essay is outlined and the reader knows exactly what my essay is going to be about, what I'm going to be talking about, the reasons behind it. So how did I come up with those reasons? Well, the first thing you can draw from is your own brain. Why do you think that people should agree with you? What are your 3 reasons to back yourself up? Or you can look it up online. Why are people supporting climate change? Why are people supporting gun control? Why are people against immigrants moving to America? You need to do your research and come up with 3 reasons why you believe that your cause is worth fighting for. So you're going to write reason number 1 right here, reason number 2 right here, and reason number 3 right here. Okay, so pause the video and get that done. Once you're done, you can unpause and we'll get on to the thesis statement. So the thesis statement is putting all of this together, putting your claim with your reasons. So the thesis statement is what your essay is going to be all about. You've done some practice on this already, or you should have done practice on this already. And so you should know what to do. You're going to be answering your topic question. People should support climate change, or people should not support climate change. That's you answering your topic question, right? And then you're going to include your 3 reasons. People should support climate change because blah, blah, blah. People should not support climate change because blah, 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 right? You make your decision. Should you support this or should you not support this? And what are your 3 reasons why? That needs to be in a complete sentence right here for your thesis statement, and you're well on your way for your essay. If you've completed all those steps, then you are finished, and we'll get started with your research tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a good day.